Wait.
Oh.
You gotta tell everybody what you made again.
We made Galaxy Blue.
It's just Galaxy Slime.
Galaxy Slime.
Kamdenboy, Kyraboo, toy review.
Hi.
Who do we have? Say hi, Kyra.
Hi.
Kyra, say hi.
Hi.
Kennedy, say hi.
Hi.
Okay, what are we doing today?
Making slime.
Slimy Gloop Laboratory. Okay, Kennedy, is everything we need in the box?
Yes.
Okay, here's everything that's included. And which one did you say you wanted to make today?
Today,
We're gonna start with one. What's the one you said you wanted to make first?
the one I said I wanted to make first was Galaxy Slime.
Galaxy Slime.
I want the glue.
You-
The bone.
You want the glue, Kyra? Okay, we gotta make the glue. All right, let's see. You have 2 cups ready, right, Kennedy? Okay, go ahead and take it out of the box. Let's see. So everything that said they had in the box, here it is. Okay, I think the first thing we need to do, what does the instructions say?
The instructions say for Galaxy Slime says add in, let me get a cup here. 1/4 pack of the purple and blue glitter along with a pack of silver sequins.
I think you're missing something. First, you have to
Oh yeah. First you have to
create the solution. So let's get ready to create the solution. We need water. Let's go get some water. All right, now we're ready to make the solution, the ST solution and the glue solution. So Kyra, how many milliliters of water do you have in your cup? 25. Kennedy, how many milliliters do you have in your cup?
25.
Hey, Paris. There's TT Paris. Okay, so we're gonna make the solutions and the glue. Hold your cup, Kyra. Don't waste it. All right.
Apple water. Yeah.
Oh, you spilled water right there. But we got it up. It's okay. Okay, so Kennedy, you put your cup there. And what we need to do is set the cups right there. Okay. Okay, you ready, girls?
Yeah.
So we're still making the sodium tetraborate solution or the ST solution. All right, I got 25 milliliters of water in the cup, right?
Yes.
So we're gonna put a spoonful in that. Okay. Okay, can you stir it up, please?
Yep.
With a spoon.
You hold it, Kyra.
Okay, let's see. I'm gonna sit that there. And then next we're gonna make the what? The glue?
The glue. The glue. You go.
How much do I need?
Half an ounce.
Half an ounce.
Where's mine?
Can you read me the glue solution?
Yes. Fill a second cup with 25 millimeters of warm, so that's 8 ounces of warm water. Glue into the second cup of warm
Kyra, look.
a white glue.
Mixing it together.
Warm water. Stir the mixing stick until the glue is thoroughly mixed in. Do not stir with a spoon unless you wash it first, as the sodium tetra on the spoon will make the glue solution start to transform. Set aside. Set aside.
We need to start adding glitter into the solution, the ST solution.
How much? I need the mixing cup because you said 1.
So 1/4. You don't need the mixing cup. Kyra, get your blue glitter. I'm gonna cut this open.
And use the whole pack?
No, we're gonna use about 1/4 of the pack.
That's the whole pack.
Kyra, be careful.
Hold, Kyra, wait. Don't do Kyra.
No, let her help.
Ooh, pretty.
That is very pretty. Okay, that's enough.
Ooh. I made it.
Kyra, get your blue glitter.
Get your blue glitter. Let mommy open it. Isn't that pretty, Kyra? And the glitter just like sitting there.
Yeah.
Oh.
Don't pick it up. Okay,
Yeah.
Kennedy, put a fourth of that in there.
Ooh,
Okay.
that's pretty.
Is it pretty, Kyra?
It's
Yes.
very pretty. That's why it's called. That's why I like Galaxy Slime most because
Green. I will be green. So cut it down.
Okay, we don't need the green for the galaxy slime. So we need the blue dye, Kyra. Put some blue dye in here.
how many drops?
3 to 4. Count them. 1,
2, 3, 4.
4.
4.
Okay, good
That
job.
way it'll be extra.
Can you help her stir that up, please?
That's it.
Hold, somebody hold the cup. Hold the cup.
Big.
Can I stir it, Kyra? Have a turn.
Yes.
Can't hold the cup.
Ooh, pretty. Ooh.
Hold the cup, Kyra.
It made the.
Ooh, it's like an ocean.
All right, we forgot to put the sequins in the ST solution. So I'll go ahead and drop those in there.
That's enough, right? That's a lot.
All right.
Christy, look at the blue.
I see. So now what we have to do is mix this with this.
All right. With the spoon or with the mixing spoon?
Probably with the. Good job.
Ooh, you want to scrape that with the spoon?
Okay, hold the cup. Keep mixing it.
Mixing.
Oh,
Oh, it's turning into.
it's on.
It's turning into slime.
It's time. It's time. It's time. He's done me all day.
Can we feel it? Can we?
But you have to finish making it.
It's slime. It's slime. It's getting thicker and thicker and thicker.
It will. It will.
Somebody is excited.
Ooh, I like you. You can tie me. You tie me.
Come high five.
All right, girls. Okay, we gotta keep stirring this up until we get what we're supposed to have. Keep stirring.
It's very sticky everywhere now. We just made our sauce bubble.
Wait.
Ow.
You gotta tell everybody what you made again.
We made Galaxy Blue
It's just galaxy slime.
Galaxy Slime.
I made blue.
Galaxy slime. Okay, I don't know if we had enough glue. Ew.
It's like, ooh.
Oh, all of our sequins are at the bottom of the cup. Oh,
But it's okay. We got
galaxy
the
slime
glitter.
fail.
Can we touch it? Can we touch
Yeah.
it? Ooh. It's like weird. Like this is slimy. Like this is like something you have to play with for a minute before it'll start to form. Oh, Kyra.
How slimy is it?
Slimy. Wanna feel it, KJ?
Oh.
bubble, Kyra? Slime bubble. So let's put all the slime.
Whoa, tiny.
If you can do that, let's put it in. It's not like a farm slime. It's not what I expected. Slimy.
Okay.
So pretty.
All right, next time we're gonna make what kind of slime? Probably rainbow slime.
Rainbow or glitter or
Okay.
crystal.
All right, thanks for watching our Slimy Gloop Laboratory.
Bye.
Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Here, say bye.
Bye.
Say don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe. Your big thumbs up.
And boy, Kyraboo, play with.
Don't forget to subscribe.